Yep, today I want to show you how to make this. Yeah, how to make hip hop beat. I'm El Proto and this is alloneprostudio. Let's get down to it. Now this is the kick. Let me control right click to select one. Okay, let's go. That's the kick. I didn't use this. Next one. Next is the snare. Next is this stuff to fill. This one here, just to fill the space. Next is the hi-hat. Let's see what we have here. So I went inside and did a little stuff here. Another thing I did here, I moved the hi-hat from the line a little. I did Control A. If you don't know, Control A is to select all. Control D is to deselect. Now you know. So Control A, then I moved everything to my right. I moved it a little so it's not on the line. It just gives it a kind of bounce. So it goes like this. Instead of being on the line like this, it's now like this. So there's a little delay on it. I believe you got something from this. The second part. Okay, here. I did something again here. So that's just to spice things up. Next is the clap. Let's take it to the beginning. This point here. Okay. The song position. Okay. So hopefully you can hear this clap. So I just layered that with the snare, which is this one. Let me remove the clap so that you hear. Let's bring it back. So I don't know if you can hear it. I like it. I'm going to leave it like that. Next thing, which is the bass. D, G, G flat, G, D, G, G flat. Haha, fun in there. Okay, what do we have next? When you hear this piano line, you know you're doing hip hop. So what do we have here? B C D C B F B F B C D C B F B F B C D C B F B F all the way to the end. So that's just what we have there to the end. Let's see the next one is so is this kind of cool stuff. Cool kind of stuff from Nexus. Yeah, from Nexus. Is epic pad chilling bells. Okay, so from Nexus. Now you know. So that's what I used there. I just played what could fit into the rest stuff that I've done. So you don't have to copy what I did here, but this is what I did. The bass, I got it from this Sakura Nexus, the piano. That's this one. Control click to select one. That's it. Next is did I use this? No, I didn't use that. Is this one, the last one, which is here. Let's hear it. Then next is at the end. It tells you something like something is about to happen. Maybe you're about to go to the chorus, or you're about to get to the verse, or something like that. So let me play it with everything so that you get what I mean. Next thing is about to happen. So when I pattern the whole thing, I can use this stuff the way I want, pattern it, maybe remove the bass in some parts and arrange the song in a way that you have a verse and a hook and the whole thing will look nice. I'm going to post that video very soon. That is, if you're watching this video like back then maybe the video is already on my channel. That is how to arrange a hip-hop beat. I'm going to leave a link to this beat in the description of this video. You can check it out and get it if you like it. And I did a video on reggae beat. I'll leave it in the description of this video. You can check it out. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. And if you need any cool beat, any nice beat, hit me up and I'll fix it for you. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it. I'm the best.